What is the basic structural and functional unit of life?
Cell.
Who first observed cells in a slice of cork?
Robert Hooke.
Who is known as the father of cell biology?
George Palade.
Which scientist first observed living cells?
Antony van Leeuwenhoek.
Which part of the cell controls all cellular activities?
Nucleus.
Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell?
Mitochondrion.
Which cell organelle contains the genetic material in eukaryotic cells?
Nucleus.
Which structure regulates the movement of substances into and out of the cell?
Cell membrane.
Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis?
Ribosome.
Which organelle modifies packages and transports proteins?
Golgi Apparatus.
Which organelle is responsible for intracellular digestion?
Lysosome.
Which organelle is present only in plant cells and carries out photosynthesis?
Chloroplast.
Which pigment is responsible for the green color of plants?
Chlorophyll.
Which cell structure provides rigidity and support in plant cells?
Cell wall.
The cell wall of plants is mainly composed of
Cellulose.
which organelle stores water, food, and waste materials in plant cells?
Vacuole.
Which part of the cell is called the control center?
Nucleus.
Which substance forms the jelly-like matrix inside the cell?
Cytoplasm.
Which organelle is responsible for ATP production?
Mitochondrion.
Which organelle is commonly called the protein factory of the cell?
Ribosome.
Which type of cell lacks a true nucleus?
Prokaryotic cell.
Which of the following is a prokaryotic organism?
Bacterium.
Which of the following organisms has eukaryotic cells?
Amoeba.
Which cell organelle contains digestive enzymes?
Lysosome.
Which cell organelle is absent in prokaryotic cells?
Ribosome.
Which endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosomes on its surface?
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
The rough endoplasmic reticulum is mainly involved in the synthesis of
Proteins.
the smooth endoplasmic reticulum primarily synthesize
Lipids.
which organelle transports proteins from the endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus.
Transport vesicle.
Chromosomes are primarily composed of
DNA and proteins.
genes are located on which cellular structure?
Chromosomes.
What is the shape of DNA proposed by Watson and Crick?
Double helix.
Which nitrogenous base is found in DNA but not in RNA?
Thymine.
Which nitrogenous base is present in RNA instead of thymine?
Uracil.
Which nucleic acid carries genetic information from the nucleus to ribosomes?
mRNA.
Which type of RNA transports amino acids to the ribosome during protein synthesis?
tRNA.
Which type of RNA forms the major structural component of ribosomes?
rRNA.
The process by which DNA produces RNA is called
Transcription.
the process by which ribosomes synthesize proteins is known as
Translation.
DNA replication occurs before which type of cell division?
Mitosis and meiosis.
Which type of cell division produces two genetically identical daughter cells?
Mitosis.
Which type of cell division produces 4 genetically different daughter cells?
Meiosis.
The chromosome number is reduced to half during
Meiosis.
which phase of mitosis is characterized by the alignment of chromosomes at the cell's equator?
Metaphase.
During which phase of mitosis do sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles?
Anaphase.
The division of the cytoplasm following nuclear division is called
Cytokinesis.
the movement of water molecules across a selectively permeable membrane from a region of higher water concentration to lower water concentration is called
Osmosis.
the movement of molecules from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration without the expenditure of energy is called
Diffusion.
which type of membrane transport requires energy in the form of ATP?
Active transport.
Which transport mechanism allows molecules to move across the cell membrane with the help of transport proteins but without using ATP?
Facilitated diffusion.
The sequence of events through which a cell grows and divides is known as
Cell cycle.
which phase of the cell cycle is the longest?
Interphase.
During which phase of interphase does DNA replication occur?
S phase.
During the G1 phase of the cell cycle, the cell primarily undergoes
Cell growth and normal metabolism.
the G2 phase of interphase mainly prepares the cell for
Cell division.
the mitotic phase consists of
Nuclear division and cytokinesis.
which cell organelle organizes spindle fibers during cell division in animal cells.
Centrosome.
Centrioles are primarily found in
Animal cells only.
centrioles are mainly composed of
Microtubules.
the cytoskeleton provides the cell with
Structural support and shape.
which of the following is not a component of the cytoskeleton?
Ribosomes.
Microtubules are mainly composed of which protein?
Tubulin.
Microfilaments are primarily made of
Actin.
cilia and flagella are primarily responsible for
Cell movement and movement of substances.
compared with cilia, flagella are generally
Longer and fewer.
the fluid mosaic model of the plasma membrane was proposed by
Singer and Nicholson.
According to the fluid mosaic model, the plasma membrane is mainly composed of
Phospholipids and proteins.
which part of a phospholipid is hydrophobic?
Fatty acid tails.
The selectively permeable nature of the plasma membrane allows it to
Control the movement of substances into and out of the cell.
the process by which a cell engulfs large solid particles is called
Phagocytosis.
pinocytosis is commonly referred to as
Cell drinking.
the release of substances from a cell through vesicle fusion with the plasma membrane is called
Exocytosis.
tight junctions primarily function to
Prevent leakage between adjacent cells.
gap junctions allow adjacent cells to
Exchange chemical signals and small molecules.
cell signaling enables cells to
Communicate and coordinate their activities.
cell differentiation is the process by which
Unspecialized cells become specialized cells.
which type of cell has the ability to develop into all cell types of the body?
Stem cell.
Embryonic stem cells are primarily obtained from
Blastocyst stage embryos.
Adult stem cells are mainly involved in
Tissue repair and regeneration.
which type of stem cell can differentiate into almost all cell types of the body but cannot form extrembryonic tissues.
Pluripotent cell.
Which type of stem cell has the ability to form all embryonic and extrembryonic tissues?
Totipotent cell.
Multipotent stem cells can differentiate into
A limited range of related cell types.
programmed cell death is known as
Apoptosis.
apoptosis is essential for
Normal growth and development.
necrosis usually occurs as a result of
Injury or infection.
which feature is characteristic of apoptosis?
Orderly breakdown of the cell.
Cancer is primarily caused by
Uncontrolled cell division.
a benign tumor is characterized by
Localized growth without invasion.
the spread of cancer cells from one part of the body to another is called
Metastasis.
an oncogene is a gene that
Promotes uncontrolled cell growth when mutated.
tumor suppressor genes normally function to
Regulate cell growth and prevent cancer.
which of the following is a well-known tumor suppressor gene?
TP53.
The p53 protein is often referred to as the
Guardian of the genome.
cell cycle checkpoints help to
Ensure proper progression of the cell cycle.
which checkpoint verifies that DNA replication has been completed before mitosis begins?
G2 checkpoint.
The spindle assembly checkpoint mainly ensures that
Chromosomes are properly attached to spindle fibers.
which scientist received the Nobel Prize for discoveries related to green fluorescent protein, GFP, a major tool in cell biology?
Osamu Shimomura.
Which instrument provides the highest resolution for studying the internal structure of cells?
Transmission electron microscope.
Which microscope is commonly used to obtain detailed three-dimensional images of cell surfaces?
Scanning electron microscope.
Which statement best explains why multicellular organisms require cell differentiation?
Specialized cells improve the efficiency of different biological functions.